hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Darshini and let's get ready with me. And as I get ready, I will answer a few questions of yours which I got on Instagram. Actually, 2 weeks back I posted a Q&A and actually I wanted to make this video long back when I put that thing on my story, but मैंने थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चंस मैंने उस पर ही आंसर किए थे एंड फ्यू आई हैड सिलेक्टेड एंड सम फ्रॉम माई DMs ऑल्सो आई हैव टेकन very basic things. So yeah, let's start. Get ready with me be is more fun and better when you have some friends around you or someone. But अभी के लिए कोई नहीं है, so it's just you and me. So yeah, we are here and you're seeing me, I'm seeing you. So let's start. So first I'm gonna do my skincare. I wash my face. So my first step is as usual my mucin. मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करूँगी because I already applied this one product I applied before and मेरे बाल ठीक नहीं थे करके मैं वापस फिक्स कर रही हूँ, इसलिए ऐसे वीडियो के लिए मैं दिखा रही हूँ, ज़्यादा नाटक नहीं करूँ. नेक्स्ट आई विल गो आफ्टर डूइंग माई स्किन केयर, देन आई विल स्टार्ट विद माई व्हाट इज ए ब्लैबरिंग इसका यार जो मैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर कर रही थी. दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र फ्रॉम मिनिमलिस्ट, क्योंकि माई अर्लियर जो मैं एक्वालॉजिका का यूज़ कर रही थी वो ख़त्म हो गया एंड आई गॉट दिस वन. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ जेल वाला. जब मैं वीडियो ऑन करती हूँ ना देटे मुरली और स्टूपिड थिंग्स हैपन. लाइक एक इसका ढक्कन खो जाएगा या मेरा ढक्कन विल नॉट क्लोज, whatever. मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ तो then you can see. Then I'm going with the sunscreen जो मैं कम ही लगाती हूँ क्योंकि सन नहीं है फिर भी लगाने के लिए बोलते हैं. But so my first question, like should I remove names? I think नहीं चाहिए ना. So like I have categorized them like priority basis पे. I first is what, where are you actually from और तुम कितने languages बोल लेते हो. Okay, that's a good question actually. So the first question is where are you actually from और कितने languages बोल लेती है. So I am basically okay, मैं basically मैं किधर से हूँ वो आप लोग फिगर कर लो. But I was born in Tamil Nadu. I was brought up, my schoolings was done in Goa and then हाँ मेरा BSc नर्सिंग करने के लिए मैं गई थी बेलगाम. From Belgaum, okay, 4 years I was in Belgaum. I studied in Belgaum. 4 साल नर्सिंग करने के बाद then I moved to Bangalore to work. Okay, and now I'm in Bangalore. So now you decide. Actually I am from Tamil Nadu but मैं पूरा सेटल हो गई हूँ गोवा में. वो कैसे हुआ ये सब बताना ज़रूरी नहीं है. I think so. Okay, so now you decide from where I am. ठीक है. Now it is up to you. You will decide from where Darshini is. Actually this question is being asked to me a lot of times. Okay, like तुम exactly किधर से हो. Like उससे मतलब फ़र्क ही क्या पड़ता है? I don't know. Like from wherever you are. इंडिया से तो हूँ ना, मेरे पास आधार कार्ड है. So like I don't know, but if anyone asks me from where are you, I have mixed feelings to answer that question. आई मोस्टली से आई एम फ्रॉम गोवा बिकॉज मैं कभी चेन्नई में रही नहीं हूँ. लाइक आई हैव नॉट स्टेड. आई जस्ट गो visit my relatives and I come back. That's all. So it's like no point of me telling that I am from Chennai. जो कि मेरे पास उधर कुछ नहीं है. So I'm done with my piece. And उसके साथ में और एक क्वेश्चन था. हाँ, और आप कितने लैंग्वेजेस बोल लेते हो? मैं बोल लेती हूँ बहुत कुछ. बट लैंग्वेजेस की बात आए तो आई वुड से आई स्पीक इंग्लिश, हिंदी, बाद में गोवा दे स्पीक कोंकणी, सो आई नो कोंकणी ऑल्सो वेरी वेल. एंड मैं तमिल भी जानती हूँ बिकॉज मैं घर पे तमिल में बात करती हूँ. सो बेसिकली माई मदर टंग इज़ ऑल्सो तमिल. आई थिंक हाँ, एक क्वेश्चन भी है, व्हाट्स योर मदर टंग? माई मदर टंग इज़ तमिल. नेक्स्ट इज़, आर यू अ हिंदू और अ क्रिश्चियन? मैं हिंदू. हाउ डू आई explain it to you? Do you want me to say Hanuman Chalisa या मैं गाना गाऊँ श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे? So I am a Hindu. Okay, the next question is actually very funny. उसमें बोला actually I got this question where last week when I posted a story on YouTube saying posted a story on Instagram saying that suggest some ideas for my YouTube. Okay, so on that I got this one person saying, actually he's a known person only, he's like talk about your toxic relatives if you have some. I will not call my relatives toxic क्योंकि जितना मैंने ऑनलाइन सुना है कि उन्होंने तो ऐसा कर दिया वैसा कर दिया है, सबका रिलेटिव्स होते हैं टॉक्सिक. बट आई डोंट नो, आई फाइंड इट लाइक सभी अपने अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में सही है. लाइक आई वुड से दैट बिकॉज सी from my side I would say no, this one is like that, he is like that, she is like that. But उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं भी देखूँ तो वो लोग भी मुझे बोलेंगे ना, नहीं वो ऐसी है, वो भी ऐसे है, वो लोग भी ऐसे है वैसे है. सो इट कम्स टू समवेयर इक्वल. Nobody likes their relatives that sick. Actually on social media whenever they call, like my relative is toxic, my this one is toxic, my aunt is toxic, my uncle is toxic, it is when you do something and they go and tell at home. मतलब हाँ, I have seen your son doing like this, I saw your daughter doing like this, like gaslighting you can say. बट मेरे साथ ऐसा अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है. आई थिंक सो, मे भी हुआ है, बट गैस लाइट तो मुझे खुद किया जाता है. आई विल नॉट रिमूव द पर्सन's नेम. द पर्सन इज़ नॉट माई रिलेटिव. एक्चुअली दैट पर्सन इज़ रिलेटेड टू मी. आई नो शी माइट बी वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, वो अंडरस्टैंड कर लेगी. बट यू नो वॉट, few people have so many issues with me making a YouTube video or posting reels on Instagram. See, I would like to tell y'all that whatever I do here or whatever I do on Instagram, it's like I am not asking you to shoot me, or it's like मैं क्या बोलूँ, like see, टेक इट पॉजिटिवली ना. मैं कर रही हूँ कुछ तो, यू आर नॉट इवन डूइंग दैट. ओके, सो बिफोर यू टॉक अबाउट मी, थिंक, एम आई डूइंग राइट? इज इट गुड टू डू दैट? थिंक ऑफ ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड देन टेल मी. लाइक यू नो, पीपल, like I have seen people like talking behind and saying that वो ऐसा कर रही है, वो वैसा कर रही है, उसको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए and all that. I'm not doing anything wrong. Okay, so I don't know. Like you tell me, I posted till now just 2 YouTube videos. उसमें मुझे कोई ये नहीं लगा. Instead, people have said like you should do more. Okay, I have seen people encouraging me, but discourage करने का भी एक ये होता है. Like like someone said to me the other day, like तू ये क्या कर रही है? ये सब क्यों? Have you seen other people doing YouTube videos and see how they are doing and see how you are doing? मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगा. So if you don't like, but still you're watching it, right? So I don't know. You're saying you don't like and you're still watching. And if you don't want to watch it also, it's okay. I'm not doing it for you. Okay, there are so many people who want me to do. So I will think that I'm doing it for them and not for you. So if you don't like what I am doing on YouTube, feel free to not subscribe to my channel. Okay, हाँ मैंने सबको बोला है subscribe to my channel. But if you are not interested, I can't force you, right? So don't do that. But you're saying you don't like my like what am I doing here? और ये सब अच्छा लगता है क्या? ये सब पूछने से अच्छा you don't see me. Better you stay your way, I stay my way, bro. That would be fine. I guess इतना ही वो एक इंसान के लिए काफ़ी है जिसने भी मुझे ये बोला है. She will understand what she's doing and I don't need to explain more. उसके बारे में मैं बोलूँ तो बहुत गलत हो जाएगा. So दीदी आप अपना ओपिनियन अपने पास ही रखो. When some people find it wrong for me to speak in English, like you don't know to speak English, that you're not seeing. Okay, she's speaking, so it doesn't mean you say no, you also have to talk in this language only. I'm not gonna do that. मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी. Actually what happens is जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है या whatever, when I fight or quarrel with a person, मेरे मुंह से ऑटोमेटिकली इंग्लिश आ जाता है because that is the only language I can speak like tadadada, like fast. मैं हिंदी भी उतना मतलब झगड़े के टाइम पे ऐसे फास्ट नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. So when it comes to fighting, I speak in English. So actually I was not fighting with her. I will not say who this person is. She said you can't speak in English. Like तू कौन होती है मुझे बताने के लिए कि तू इंग्लिश में बात मत कर. मैं क्या eyeliner लगा रही हूँ, eyeshadow लगा रही हूँ. This person asked me, what do you do on weekends? What's your routine? Please share. First of all, I hardly get offs on weekend. Till now, मुझे weekend पे off नहीं मिला है. So, 1 second, मैं थोड़ा सोच रही हूँ मैं कौन सा eyeshadow लगाऊँ. Don't ask me what I do on weekends. मुझे कभी weekend पे छुट्टी मिला ही नहीं जब से मैं ये हॉस्पिटल ज्वाइन किया है. So I never have any weekend plans. You ask me what are my weekday plans. I will tell you. क्योंकि मैं weekdays पे ही मुझे छुट्टियाँ मिलती है. And don't judge my makeup. It's not like I don't know what to do. अभी मैं बात करते करते ये कर रही हूँ, so I can't concentrate on both things at a time. So that's why. So what I was saying, weekends and what is your routine? See, I don't have a proper routine. Like, see, you can make a routine if you have a 9 to 5 job. Bro, I don't have a 9 to 5 job that I can sit and think like, okay, I'll wake up every day at this time, do this, and then I will do this. उसके बाद मैं ऑफिस चली जाऊँगी. उसके बाद 6 बजे वापस घर आके I will have a shower, I will watch my favorite series and have food and do this and do that and sleep. Now, if you're a nurse, you will know what's your schedule. It can never be a fixed schedule for any nurse. Like if you give me like a proper timetable of what my entire week is, that time only I set a routine. Like if I have a morning shift, I'll wake up at 5:45, ready, make breakfast and all of that. But if I am not on a morning shift, it is different, and night shift के लिए भी अलग रहता है. So it's like I can't tell you like what my actually routine is. So ऐसा है मेरा. So it's better you don't ask me what my routine is. It's a very bad routine because when it comes to night shift, रात भर मतलब I don't know. Even if there's no work, you can't sleep in night duties. Like I don't know. मेरे प्रोफेशन में तो नहीं होता है, especially when you're working in an ICU. If you're working in ICU, you'll understand. See my eyes. Weekend plans, weekend routine is nothing. Weekdays में होता है मेरा छुट्टी. So और weekdays में तो संडे के जैसा नहीं होता है, सैटरडे के जैसा नहीं होता है. फिर भी घिसी पिटी जिंदगी जी रही हूँ ना. Favorite comfort food. My favorite comfort food is fish and मेरी मम्मी के हाथ का बिरयानी. जो like in specific I like biryani, but I love the biryani what she makes. Is very funny. Are you a matcha person? If yes, then suggest some places in Bangalore. Bro, do you really think I drink matcha? I never drank matcha. I don't know, तुम लोगों को लगता है कि मैं matcha पीती हूँ? I like coffee, not matcha. I don't know the taste of matcha, but I will surely try. I saw a video. I don't know if you all know who is Rida. I've seen video. I follow this influencer. Her name is Rida. She drinks a lot of matcha. उसको matcha बहुत पसंद है, and she makes this content like where you get the best matchas in Bangalore. So you can, I think, follow her and see. I heard one place, Copper and Clove. Yeah, you get like good matchas. So you all also can try that place, I guess. मैं तो कभी गई नहीं हूँ. If I go, I will let you know. But मुझे matcha try करना है. So the person whoever asked me, I don't know that person name. I didn't write down names. So if you try matcha, bro, anytime, please let me know some good places to drink matcha. Like it would be nice if you'd let me know. So how do you cope with work stress and life? That was what he asked. So how I cope. My coping mechanism you need. I don't have any coping mechanism. I'm very tired of my life. I am very tired with my work. I hate my work. But I have to work because they are paying me. And don't ask me such questions. I don't cope up with my stress mechanism. So how do you relieve stress? I don't relieve my stress. I keep it piled up. Like उसने मुझे ऐसा किया काम पे, उसने मुझे ऐसा बोला, आज मेरा ड्यूटी इतना गंदा गया, आज ये हुआ था, आज वो हुआ था. I keep ranting about it. I will call my mother and tell that she said like this to me, she did like this to me, I did it properly, I said like this, I said like that. So मैं बस कॉल करके सबको बताती रहती हूँ. That's how I cope with my stress and life. someone asked me about my lipstick, which I guess last week जो मैंने वीडियोस डाले थे उस पे जो ग्लॉस था my lips. First I take this, इसका क्या पता है, मार्स का लिप लाइनर. इसका शेड भी मिट गया. हाँ, डार्क चॉकलेट. वो इतना ही बचा है. एक्चुअली आई हैव टू बाय अ न्यू वन, सो then I just smudge it off like this. बाद हम यूज़ करते हैं वाइन शेड का इनसाइड का लिपस्टिक. So actually wine shade goes good with my skin, that's why I use that. See, it is not necessary you have the same lip combo. अभी मेरे स्किन पे डार्क चॉकलेट का लिप लाइनर अच्छा दिखता है, so it's like that. So it depends on your skin tone also. इसको थोड़ी देर सूखने देती हूँ मैं. यू ओके. If you, I guess my makeup is looking good. And my hair also. So if you want to know my curly hair routine, you can comment down below. If you want. If you don't have curly hair, there is no point of you asking me how do you do that. It's a lip gloss from Nykaa. See, it gives a nice look. So yeah, that's all for my makeup. You can see my lips looks good. See, it gives a nice glow. So I guess my lips are also looking nice. And जो कि वाला यूज़ करो, ये वाला. See, it looks good, na? Now I am wearing this bracelet which I got that day. So yeah, it looks nice in my hands. Oval shaped hoops which I showed you all that day. Okay, so yes, so I guess that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video till the end if you have watched. So until I see you next time, sayonara. This is Darshini signing off.